Hello guys, welcome back to DNA Vlogs, and today we have the Continental GT with the Autologue body kit. So this kit is called RECK2 RF, and in a while I'll explain you what all comes along with it and a brief overview of how the installation is done. So one small request, if you're new on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to know more about such bikes, such mods on my channel. I have a lot of videos on DIYs and such kits and bike reviews and all, so do browse through them. And of course, by the end of the video, if you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button and do share it ahead with your friends and family. By the way, this bike was also showcased on my channel previously, where I had explained what all the external mods done, like what exhaust it has got. It has got Powertronic ECU and all, and some mirrors. These mirrors are not ordinary mirrors. There it has got Moto Gadget ka tail lamp, what LED stuff where you can give customized message. Previously it had Moto Gadget Speedo, which has been taken off now, and this is a glassless mirror. These are made out of aluminum, okay. And again, to watch more details on this, to get more details on this, do watch my first video, which I'll try to leave it in the video description. So this is the same bike which was showcased previously with some other mods. Now Autologue has done, this bike belongs to Autologue, it's Mukul's bike, and now what they've done is, along with the REC 2.1 fairing, they now have a race fairing installed on this bike. So if you have a Continental GT and if you want to convert your bike to look like this, you can contact Autologue Design and purchase the whole kit or the half kit in the sense, like you get the race fairing and visor separately. If you don't want the bottom fairings, the left and right panels, if you don't want that, you can opt for that accordingly, okay. But ideally the whole bike, if you look at it along with the fairing, then it looks kick-ass. I rode it in the city for 2 days. My Dominar is at Autologue. I rode it in the city for 2 days and it was a sheer head turner, proper head turner. With this color, with this looks, it used to turn people, absolutely. Youngsters, elders, everyone used to just turn around and see what is passing by. So starting with the topmost section, you get a clear or a smoked visor. You can give that option to Autologue what you want. Then you get the fairing, of course, and to mount the fairing you get additional brackets, and of course there's an installation video on my channel for this installation as well as the fairing installation. The fairing installation video will come out in a few days. The side panels installation will come out in a few days, and the top fairing, the REC 2.1, is already there on my channel, so you can check that out. And you have to install this visor. You will get brackets from Autologue. You have to shift down the handle. Everything is explained in detail in that. Headlamp is pushed out a bit, okay, and matches the fairing accordingly. Once this is installed, you can then install the bottom parts. Bottom parts include the left and right fairing, okay, left and right panel, and indicator extensions, and a radiator guard, and a belly. So all this comes in the race fairing part. By the way, as you can see, this race fairing or the side panels are compatible with RE crash guards. So some might have chrome or some might have black, and if you have this crash guard from RE, then this race kit is, the race fairing is surely compatible. Or you can purchase these stock ones back from RE along after you install the kit. You also have the options of getting add-on covers for your left and right side panel. One side the battery goes, the other side you have your air filter. So these are covers that have been put from top on the base ones, okay. I think I have a vlog for that too, maybe in a rough or buff video. I'll try to search the video and put it in the video description. I'll put the link in the video description. I'm sure a few of you are eager to hear the exhaust sound. These are from, exhaust is from AEW. Let me turn the bike to neutral and turn the exhaust on for you guys. Again, this recording via the phone does not make justice. In person, these exhausts sound just bomb. This is how the LED works. Probably it works only on start. Let's come back again. It's showing the name of the mod that is done previously, RECK 2.0. That's the Autologue name. Coming back to the exhaust. That's it for this video. I hope you like the content. If yes, like, share, subscribe, and let me know your questions. Of course, contact for Autolog will be in the video description. Thanks for watching. See you in the new video very soon. Pretty bad road over here. I mean, almost no road. Still, the fairing is keeping up. You don't see it vibrating and all. By the way, no vibes of any sort on the bike. Okay, here's the bike. Okay, of course pedo is closed. I'm at 3000 rpm, drop gear, and the fairing doesn't move around and all. Nothing issues, no issues. And I'm just loving the attention it gets from people, and I getting highlighted along with it.